Nature therapy. Nature therapy, also called ecotherapy, is the practice of being in nature to boost growth and healing, especially mental health. You might also hear it called green care, green exercise, green therapy, or horticulture therapy. What is an example of nature therapy? You might take a walk or sit in a green space. Other examples of ecotherapy include gardening therapy, forest bathing, wilderness therapy, and animal-assisted therapy, such as guided interactions with horses or dogs. The research found that nature-based therapy improves patients' self-esteem and decreases depression. It was found that the nature-based therapy process was composed of 6 categories: stimulation, acceptance, purification, insight, recharging, and change. Based on these results, a comprehensive 6-step model of the nature-based therapy process was developed. Few examples of natural things are the moon, sun, river, clouds, mountain, rain, water, and so on. Benefit of nature for your mental health. Improve your mood. Reduce feelings of stress or anger. Help you take time out and feel more relaxed. Improve your physical health. Improve your confidence and self-esteem. Help you be more active. Help you meet and get to know new people. Connect you to your local community. Benefits of nature therapy. Nature therapy has been shown to reduce overall blood pressure and lower the heart rate, while activating the parasympathetic nervous system and reducing the sympathetic nervous system. Many studies have shown that experiencing nature enhances working memory, restores focused attention, relieves fear and stress, and produces beneficial reductions in heart rate, blood pressure, and cortisol levels. The concept behind nature therapy is that being in the natural environment can provide a calming effect for those struggling with mental health issues. Studies have found that spending time outdoors relieves stress by releasing hormones like serotonin and dopamine, which boost our moods. Can nature cure anxiety? Spending time in nature has been found to help with mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. Nature is a great way to reduce all stress, anxiety, and depression. Thanks for watching.